SUPERAGENT is an AI-powered platform designed to revolutionize the insurance sales industry by addressing critical challenges such as slow agent ramp-up, high turnover, inconsistent performance, and the looming agent exodus. The platform offers 3 core solutions: Bootcamp, AI-powered call simulator, Live Assist, real-time AI sales co-pilot for live calls, and AI insurance agents, a suite of specialized AI agents covering the entire customer lifecycle. We aim to significantly accelerate agent productivity, boost conversion rates, and increase commission income. Bootcamp, our AI-powered call simulator, can accelerate new agent productivity by empowering them to generate revenue faster, while also helping experienced agents sharpen their skills. Imagine experiencing dynamic sales conversations powered by advanced AI, with diverse personas and challenging scenarios that mirror your highest value prospects, complete with realistic objections and emotional responses. Traditional agent onboarding is slow, expensive, and fails to prepare agents for the real world. What if you could cut your training costs by 60% and get new hires generating revenue in weeks, not months? Here's how it works. Your agents dive into dynamic sales conversations with advanced AI personas. They can practice handling any scenario, from tough objections to complex needs analysis, mirroring your most valuable prospects. During the simulation, our AI coach provides immediate, private feedback. It identifies missed opportunities and guides the agent on what to say next, like a coach sitting right beside them. The result? Agents who complete bootcamp get to productivity faster. So stop spending on ineffective training. Start building top-performing agents from day one. Schedule your personalized demo of bootcamp